Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video I will tell you how to fix WhatsApp notifications not showing on iPhone. For better interaction and communication with others, we need to get notifications and alert from the respective applications on iPhone without fail. But there are many iPhone users who have shared their experiences where they are unable to get notifications from WhatsApp on their iPhones. So in this video I will tell you how to fix this problem. But first subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. So let's start the video without wasting any time. So the first step is turn on WhatsApp notifications in the settings app. You have to go to the settings app, then tap on the notification option from the menu list. Scroll down the notifications page and select the WhatsApp option from the list. Enable it and you are done. And the next step is reset location and privacy settings. For this, you need to go to settings app on your iPhone. Go to the general option. Tap on the transfer or reset iPhone option. Now select the reset option by tapping on it. This pops up a context menu list on the iPhone screen. You have to select the reset location and privacy option from the list. It might ask you to enter your passcode. So enter your passcode and follow the on-screen instructions and you are done. And the next step is verify the screen time settings for allowed apps. For this, you need to go to settings. Select the screen time option from the settings. Now you have to tap on the content and privacy restrictions. Then click on the allowed apps option. You will see the list of apps. Find the WhatsApp option and make sure it is enabled and you are done. And the next step is reinstall the WhatsApp application on iPhone. You should first long press the WhatsApp icon from the home screen. Then it will pop up a context menu of the WhatsApp app. Select the remove app option from the list. Tap on delete app option on the screen to continue. Finally click delete. This starts to uninstall the WhatsApp app from your iPhone. Once WhatsApp is deleted, you have to open the App Store and download WhatsApp again. This will then begin downloading and installing the WhatsApp app on your iPhone and you are done. And the next step is force restart your iPhone. Press the volume up button on the side of the iPhone. Release it quickly. Repeat the same with the volume down button. Afterwards, you have to tap and hold on to the power button on the other side of the iPhone. When you get to see the Apple logo, please release the power button. This restarts your iPhone forcibly and this would clear the issue easily and you are done. And the next step is reset all settings on the iPhone. When nothing works, there might be some settings that could have been the cause of this problem and we are not able to detect. So try performing reset all settings on the iPhone and then check whether the issue got fixed or not. For this, you need to go to settings, go to general, scroll down to the bottom. Here you will see the option transfer or reset. Tap on it. Now tap on reset. Now tap on reset all settings. It might ask you to enter your passcode. So enter your passcode and follow the on-screen instructions and you are done. I hope this solution will fix your issue of WhatsApp notification not showing on iPhone, and also let us know in the comments below if you have any questions. Thank you. See you in the next video.